Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. It's kind of an organize with me, not really a tutorial, but I show you the things that I got to tackle the mess that's behind me. I know that Marie Kondo is super popular right now. This is not inspired by her. I have not watched any of her episodes, but I personally love to be organized, but this is causing me way too much anxiety. I cannot with it. It's a pantry. It's a pretty good size, but it also is like a catch-all for like craft supplies and fruit dehydrators and air fryers and things like that. So I just wanted to get everything kind of swooped up and picked up. So I thought I would take you guys along with me to show you kind of how I did things. So if you would like to organize with me, then keep watching. As embarrassing as this is my pantry. You can see, I mean, do I need to say anything? It is a nightmare. This is all of our animal food bins, which will be coming out of there. I'm gonna relocate them to a different closet. But like, I have a toddler, so that's what this is. Like, what are we doing? So, oh my gosh, it makes me laugh. I have to laugh because it stresses me out. So we're gonna tackle all this. Nothing really has a rhyme or reason. A couple things are labeled. I have some couple like random bins that don't match. I can't deal with it. So I took a little trip to the Container Store and we're just gonna get this taken care of. Okay, so I thought I would show you a couple of things I got to really organize the space. So I went to the Container Store, which, oh my gosh, it's like Target, but for organization, and I could spend all day in there. But I got this, hang on, so I got this like cylinder. They have a really good clearance section at the Container Store, and several of the things were on sale. So for example, this doesn't have a lid. That's okay, because the things I want to put in it, I don't need a lid. So it was normally $12.99. It was $5.47, which I thought was a pretty good price. I got 6 of these bigger bins. You can kind of see how deep they are. 2 of these littler ones. 6 of the smaller, same size. And I like these because they're clear, but they also have handles and they're kind of like scooped out a little bit. I got this, which is probably one of the most custom things I got, that has little dividers for kind of like, I was thinking probably boxes of pasta, rice, things like that. And then I have a bunch of space under the shelf, so I got 4 of these. I got these big ones because again, they were in the clearance section. You can see they were normally $25. They're $8.57. It says they were dented, just kind of like, I don't know if I can show you, like right here. It like kind of goes in right there, but who cares? And then I got these 2 bins. They were just normal priced. I think they were $11.99 each, which I didn't think was bad at all. And there's 2 of those. And then I got this expandable shelf. So really good for spices and stuff, but we don't keep our spices in there. But it expands out really far. And it was on sale too. And it was normally $14.99 and it was $4.47. So I don't know, I thought that was a good price too. So, and then I have labels that I'll label for everything. And yeah, so let's empty the pantry. I'm a little bit terrified. So we are halfway through. Just a reminder, things must get worse before they get better. But I'm finally getting to a light at the end of the tunnel where things can be seen. The expandable shelf worked out really well so that you can expand it. The only problem with wire shelves, well, there's a few problems, but one of them are these brackets. So it really limits on how you can space bins and things like that. But this expandable shelf was nice because it expands like the perfect width between the 2. And then I just used the bins pretty much around those brackets, and they could fit pretty much 2 in between each one. So it worked out pretty well. Wire shelves are just hard though, so I'm sure you know that if you have them. I would recommend getting kind of like a liner that goes here if you have books or something like that. I do have a bunch of cookbooks down here that eventually I'll get a liner for, just because if they're skinnier they tend to fall through the cracks, which is annoying. So anywho, we're about halfway there, finally just getting things. I have to handle this, so, but we're getting there. Alright, so here it is after. I hope you can remember what it looked like. I'll put another before picture in here, but holy smokes, it's different and better. So on this side, nothing really changed. We still have our bag dispenser, the brooms and mops, and up here is just a couple of things, like a few cookie jars. I sell my chicken eggs, so egg cartons. That's toilet paper right there. And then I did get an art cart for all of the art stuff that was like exploding onto the floor. I got this from Michael's. It was $30, so I didn't think it was that bad. And just, I think there's 10 drawers that we just have with all of our like various, some of them aren't even have anything, I guess, kind of art stuff, just so that she can come in here and just pick stuff and play with it. It's just, whew. I just had one cleared tote before, and that clearly did not work. On the lower shelf, I just have all of our cookbooks, paper towels, booster seat, and then this is her bin. I did make all of our labels for this, just kind of with my own version of hand lettering. I will link where I got these labels from. I think they're from Amazon. I got a huge pack of them. These are all of kind of her snacks that she can just grab and have. This is where we keep tortillas. The lower bins, I have like lunch boxes. This is actually our cat carrier. All of our kind of reusable shopping bags, placemats. Our old Keurig, we got a different kind of coffee maker, so until I decide what to do with that, that's there. All vases. That's actually an industrial size of bubbles. I take bubbles very seriously. And then I did leave the cat food in here. So that's kind of the lower portion of that. On the next level, we just have the bread, anything breakfast related, crackers, the starchy ones for the different like potatoes, things like that, snacks, so chips, goldfish, chickpeas, popcorn. I haven't put anything in this yet, so I have to find something to put in there. The dessert bin, so you know, good old Girl Scout cookies, pie shells, Jello pudding. I ended up using this for all the pasta, so like quinoa noodles, things like that. Fruit, vegetables. These were pretty random and they're going to be used soon. My husband makes his own jerky, so that's what those are for. This worked out really well. I really like how that turned out. You can see actually what you have now, or what we have. This one, the liquids is syrup, vinegar, marinades, different things like that. These are kind of gravy mixes, taco seasoning. This is tuna and salmon. And then obviously all of our baking things. And then there are 2 baking bins with we use a lot of, when we're following keto really well, we do like a lot of the swerve sugars, coconut flour, almond flour, chia and hemp seed. This is more like Bisquick, powdered sugar, brown sugar, things like that. And at the top is our dehydrator. That is a snow cone maker, the little Snoopy house. All of our paper bags, all the cereal. I just didn't feel like it was necessary to put the cereal in bins. I think it's fine. Alcohol bin, and then protein. So there you go. But I love how it turned out. I just, gosh, have a lot less anxiety about walking in here now. So well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of more of an organize with me type video. I do plan to do more of these. There's several areas in my house that need to be organized. There's just too much stuff and it all needs home. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.